Hello and welcome to Greenline Architects YouTube channel. Today we are going to present a design review for 1100 square feet plot area. A large circular brickwork facade was created to shade the internal spaces, creating an interesting pattern as well. The brief was to design a house that would naturally withstand the climatic conditions and create various scales of openness within the house. The project balances experimental design methods with the traditions of the neighborhood and locally available construction skills, materials, and knowledge. Brick was selected as the key material that is raw and natural and create projections reducing the heat effect. Entrance has a car porch with a large lawn area adjacent to it. A formal living sits in front, buffered from the private zones. Secondary entrance caters the staircase, well partitioned to the internal spaces. The kitchen and dining sits linearly and further opens up to the greenery. The built form is tailored to unfold into the green areas at numerous points, reassuring the intent of connecting to nature in a real sense. A bedroom is designed at the back that opens up to the greenery. First floor caters 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom is designed at the front with attached dress and toilet and a linear balcony that adds liveliness to the area. Ample openings are articulated and the functional aesthetics are added to the lightness of the design language. 2 bedrooms at the back overlooks the greenery at the back. interiors was kept classy with light color palette merging with materials like wood, glass, CNC, upholsteries, etc. that exhibits a colorful, vibrant look throughout these spaces. The second floor has large recreational area with an open bar, and the lounge setting opens to the front balcony. Brick facade provides an ideal backdrop for living spaces, aesthetically adding simplicity and integrity to the design. The home theater is placed at the back, connecting to the balcony. A large semi-covered sit-out balcony is designed at the back with the barbecue area. Overall, the expression of the house is response to the client's affinity for nature. It's an outcome for seeking sustainable and functional amalgamation for the living environment. The terrace has a landscape sitting area and the planters all around. Comment your views about the project and do like, share and subscribe for more fresh contents.